What's up and welcome to part 23 of developing Android application for Android mobile phone. So in this video I'm going to go ahead and add a button image that is like custom image. So it is going to be inside a button. If you click on it, it is going to appear like a button. So it is just going to give a professional look to your apps. Like having a colorful image looks pretty nice to the users. Google search like button image, search it right over here, find out, click here. Okay, and add button image png, just hit on enter and find out what button looks pretty nice. So this is the submit button. This is the login button. Do whatever you like, just and save the image. Just give it a name as Zeal button. I don't know, that's what came in my mind. Hit on download and the button is going to be inside this. There you see the Zeal button is right over here. Just open up the new file, just give it a little bit like 200 by height by 100 image. Grab this button, just go inside my Photoshop, just paste it right over here. So there you go, the button is right over here. Hit on enter. There you see the button is right over there. Save it. Why do I use Photoshop? To resize the button. Then like Zeal button, and hit on save. Do you want to replace? Of course I want to replace it out. So there you see the image is right over here. No, because I have the button right over here. So I just created a new application that is named as button image. Use this design, and here I just remove the constraint layout to relative layout because I want to drag a button inside the center of this one. See that right over here? So this is the button. Grab it and keep it inside the center, and there's the button right over here. Alright, so add a background to that. Android. Before adding the background, I need to take the button to that. Just go ahead and Control C on my keyboard. Like with the Android Studio, just click on drawables, Control V on the keyboard and hit on OK. Zeal button, yes, right. So make sure to, whenever you just give the name to the button or whatever image you are importing inside the Android Studio, make sure all the buttons should have a smaller character inside the application. Just go ahead and add the background, and it is going to be inside drawable, and the button name is Zeal button. On enter, there you see the button is right over here. Alright, so give the name as Zeal button, and now keep it like Zeal capital B capital. Alright, so there you see the button is right over here. You zoom it out, so there you see Zeal button is right over here. So that's about it for this video. You just add, and as the button is added right over here, all you have to do is add an on click method to that if you want to proceed creating some button action to the application. So that's about it. That's a quick and simple application. You just know how to go ahead and use the image inside your button. So I'll see you guys in the next one.